Getting started in Autostrek is very easy with the new startup screen. For a quick test, simply select one of the presets and click Start. To orbit around the scene, click and hold the middle mouse button. Use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Hold Shift to pan around. If you want to go a little further, you can use the quick input controls to adjust the size, wall height, and roof angle. You can also choose the roof structure. This gives you a quick idea of what Autostrek can do. But if you want to set your own lumber dimensions and more detailed settings, you can open the Advanced Build Generator. Here, you can adjust almost everything to match your own dimensions and preferences. Once the model is generated, you can inspect it using the animated timeline. Even the birdsmith cuts are generated correctly, no matter what roof angle you choose. You can also make small adjustments in the live control panel, such as changing the roof style or wall style. Now, let's take a look at the new dormer tool. This tool lets you build many different types of dormers, and Autostrek creates the complete dormer structure for you. Please note that dormer framing can vary from country to country. It may not be fully code compliant everywhere, but it should be very close in most cases. You can simply play around with the settings in the control panel to see what they do, and if you do not like the result, or something goes wrong, you can reset the model and start again. Here are a few examples of how it works. For this garage build, I will use a shed dormer. For the best result, use a beam structure roof. Parametric attic trusses are partly supported as well, but they still need some more work before they are fully compatible. Now we have a nice building, but we need some windows. This is just as simple as using the dormer tool. Click the O-framer tool in the main menu, and you can add windows, doors, garage doors, sliding patio doors, and soon even more presets. Use the helper guides to place the openings wherever you want. Autostrek automatically builds the framing around the openings. It even adds flashing above and below the windows. Now, let's take a look inside. Every window, door, and garage door now has proper framing inside the walls. If you want to add textures and colors to your model, go to the Model Color tool in the main menu. If you need elevations for a building permit, go to 2D mode and click Ortho. Autostrek will automatically show the elevations, and you can add extra information when exporting to PDF. Autostrek also has built-in pricing. You only need to set up your supplier prices once. After that, everything you build will use the prices from your own suppliers. For small parts and offcuts, you may see a merge button or a message saying that no supplier price was found. Simply find out what the part is and merge it with the lumber dimension you would use to make that specific part. Detailed cut lists are generated automatically, and you can export them to HTML if you want to print them. You can also save your models. Please note that once a model is saved, it cannot currently be edited again. This will likely change in the future, so you can save projects and continue editing them later. We did not cover the parametric truss builder or the AI render tool in this video, but feel free to try them out. They are easy to use and you should be up and running in no time. Thanks for watching.